For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
India's COVID tally crossed 20 lakh cases on August 7th. India recorded its biggest single-day surge in COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. India reported a sharp surge in COVID-19 cases today, with 62,538 new cases being reported in 24 hours. According to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, over 41,000 have succumbed to COVID-19 so far in the country. Over 13 lakh patients have recovered since the beginning of the pandemic across the country. Over 850 people succumbed to the infection in one day. India's recovery rate stands at 67.98% as of Friday morning. Over 2.27 crore people have been tested for the virus in the country, which has a population of about 130 crore people. As per the latest health bulletin released by the Union Ministry, there are 6,07,384 active cases, 13,78,105 people have recovered from the infection, and 41,585 deaths have been reported due to the infection. In the last 24 hours, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh have recorded the highest surge in COVID cases. Maharashtra's total COVID tally stands at 4,79,779 with over 16,000 deaths. Maharashtra has 1,46,612 active cases as of Friday morning, with over 3,16,375 recoveries and 16,972 deaths. In the last 24 hours, Karnataka reported 6,805 cases of COVID-19 and 93 deaths. Karnataka has 75,076 active cases as of Friday morning, with over 80,281 recoveries and 2,897 deaths. Congress MP from Wayanad, Rahul Gandhi, took this chance to take a jibe at the Narendra Modi-led government. Rahul Gandhi tweeted, saying the central government is missing and hence there is a huge spike of COVID-19 cases across the country.
20 lakh mark Modi government is missing.
He also added a tweet from July 17th, the day India crossed 1 million cases.
10 lakh figures exceeded. At the same speed, COVID-19 if spread by 10th August, more than 20 lakh will be infected in the country. The government must take concrete planned steps to stop the epidemic.
42% of the new cases were reported from Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal and Bihar. India became the third country in the world after the United States and Brazil to report more than 2 million cases of COVID-19.